So good morning everyone. Good morning to all of you. Yes, good morning Sania, Sahil. Good morning to all of you. Yes, good morning. Good morning to all of you. Good morning everyone. Good morning Ziana, Vrishti, Akash. Good morning Shri, Janavi, Sheetal. Good morning to all of you. Yes, Aryan. Good morning. Yes, Soham, Vaishnavi. Good morning. Good morning to all of you. Let everyone join. We'll start. Yes, Yojana. Good morning. Bhakti, Aditya, Soham. Fine. Let's revise what we did in the last lecture. Yes, Devashish, good morning. So, in the last lecture, we learned something about product of vectors or multiplication of vectors. And in the multiplication of vectors, there were basically two types. There were basically two types in the multiplication of vectors. The first type was multiplication of vector by the scalar, multiplication of vector by the scalar, and multiplication of the vector by the vector. Multiplication of vector by the scalar. Scalar is going to be a positive, negative, or a zero number. Okay, that is very easy multiplication, nothing else. Okay, very simple. So if you multiply the vector by the scalar, you get another vector. If you multiply the vector by the scalar, you get another vector. Fine. If this scalar is a positive number, then new direction is equal to old direction. If this scalar is a positive number, then new direction or direction of resultant is equal to old direction. But if this scalar is negative number, if this scalar is negative number, then the old direction will get reversed, old direction will get reversed, and then you will get the new direction. Okay, it was about multiplication of vector by scalar. Just give me 1 second. Then we have multiplication of vector by vector. Now we have multiplication of vector by vector. So in that, here multiplication of vector by vector, there are again two types. Multiplication of vector by vector, we have again two types. When you multiply the vector with the vector, the final answer may be the scalar. The final answer may be the vector. When the final answer is scalar, it is called as a scalar product of two vectors. It is also known as dot, because multiplication will be shown by the symbol dot. ती जी काय दोन वेक्टरची मल्टिप्लिकेशन आहे, that multiplication will be shown by dot. Okay, dot symbol न दाखवली जाईल. Okay, and the multiplication answer of that multiplication is going to be the scalar. दोन वेक्टरची मल्टिप्लिकेशन करून स्केलर मिळू शकतो. Okay, you can have the multiplication of two vectors and you can get resultant as a vector also. दोन वेक्टरची मल्टिप्लिकेशन करून आन्सर स्केलर मिळू शकतं किंवा वेक्टर मिळू शकतं. After multiplication of two vectors, you can get a scalar or you can get a vector. So when you get a scalar, that multiplication is denoted by the dot symbol, and when you get a vector, that multiplication is denoted by the cross symbol. Okay, त्यावेळी cross symbol वापरायचा. Fine. Out of this, we have covered this point: scalar product of two vectors or the dot product of two vectors. This we have already covered. हे आपण बाळांनो कव्हर केलेलं आहे. याचं एक एक्झाम्पल पण घेतलं होतं, त्याची डेफिनेशन तर आपण बघितलेलीच आहे. If the resultant vector of the multiplication of two vectors, not the resultant vector, resultant only. आता इथं जे काय नंबर मिळायला लागलाय तो पॉझिटिव्ह असेल, निगेटिव्ह असेल और झिरो असेल. This number can be positive, negative or zero, and here you are multiplying two vectors, but answer is not a vector, it is just going to be a नंबर और द स्केलर रॅदर, ऑफकोर्स त्याला युनिट असणार, या आर ला काहीतरी युनिट असू शकेल, नो प्रॉब्लेम, युनिट असायला काहीच अडचण नाही, बट इट इज नॉट गोइंग टू बी द वेक्टर, त्याला डायरेक्शन असणार नाही. ओके सर, स्लोली हे अजून क्लिअर होईल. वी विल सॉल्व फ्यू मोर एक्झाम्पल्स based on the same thing. Okay, so what was the definition of the dot product? Magnitude of first vector into magnitude of second vector into cos of angle between the two vectors. दोन वेक्टर मधला अँगल केव्हा दिसतो? You can observe the angle between two vectors if you arrange the two vectors co-initially. दोन वेक्टर स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम सेम पॉइंट करावे लागतील. You have to make the two vectors starting from same point, then you can observe the angle between the two vectors. Okay, and its cos, आणि मग त्याचा cos घ्यायचा आहे बाळांनो. पहिल्या वेक्टरचा मॅग्निट्यूड इंटू दुसऱ्या वेक्टरचा मॅग्निट्यूड इंटू कॉस ऑफ अँगल बिटवीन देम, मॅग्निट्यूड ऑफ फर्स्ट वेक्टर इंटू मॅग्निट्यूड ऑफ सेकंड वेक्टर इंटू कॉस ऑफ अँगल बिटवीन देम. असं केलं की जो नंबर मिळतो इट इज कॉल्ड ॲज डॉट प्रॉडक्ट ऑफ टू वेक्टर्स. Okay, then we solve some examples based on dot product. Then we have seen the properties of dot product. First property is dot product is commutative. Commutative means sequence does not matter. Dot product is commutative means sequence does not matter. A dot B equals B dot A. चालते. Dot product is distributive over addition and subtraction. म्हणजे ब्रॅकेटच्या आत ऍडिशन किंवा सबट्रॅक्शन असेल तर या डॉट प्रोडक्ट न किंवा या डॉट न आत मल्टिप्लाय करता येते. ए बार डॉट बी बार प्लस ए बार डॉट सी बार, आणि इथं बी बार मायनस सी बार आहे. समजा सेकंड वेक्टर, दिस इज द फर्स्ट वेक्टर ए बार अँड दिस इज द सेकंड वेक्टर, बट दॅट सेकंड वेक्टर इज रिटर्न इन टर्म्स ऑफ बी बार मायनस सी बार इन टर्म्स ऑफ अनादर टू वेक्टर्स. काय नाही, या डॉट न आत मल्टिप्लाय करता येते. ए बार डॉट बी बार, ए बार डॉट बी बार माइनस ए बार डॉट सी बार, ए बार डॉट बी बार माइनस ए बार डॉट सी बार, असं करता येते. डॉट प्रोडक्ट ऑफ परपेंडिक्युलर वेक्टर्स इज 0. वाय? ए बार and b bar, if they are perpendicular to each other, if a bar and b bar, if a bar here, a bar and b bar are perpendicular to each other, that is angle between them is 90, then a bar dot b bar will be what? Magnitude of first vector into magnitude of second vector into cos of angle between them. Angle between them is 90, and you know for vertical axis cos values are 0. So cos 90 is 0, cos 270 is 0. So 0 into anything will become 0. 0 into anything will become 0. So perpendicular vectors चा dot product 0 असतो. Okay, dot product of perpendicular vectors is 0. Dot product of perpendicular vectors is 0. दोन वेक्टर पॅरलल असतील तर काय नाही, त्यांच्यामधला अँगल 0 घ्या. If both the vectors are in same direction, take angle between them 0. So magnitude of first vector into magnitude of second vector into cos of 0. Cos 0 काय शिकवलाय? Cos 0 is +1. +1 न मल्टिप्लाय करायची काय गरज नाही. So answer will be magnitude of first vector into magnitude of second vector. Square of a vector कसा डिफाइन केलाय? Dot product of vector with itself. त्याच वेक्टरचा डॉट प्रोडक्ट त्याच्याशीच. डॉट प्रोडक्ट ऑफ वेक्टर विथ इटसेल्फ. ओके, सो मॅग्निट्यूड ऑफ फर्स्ट वेक्टर इंटू मॅग्निट्यूड ऑफ सेकंड वेक्टर इंटू कॉस ऑफ अँगल बिटवीन देम. दोघांमधला अँगल काय? सेमच वेक्टर आहे. दोघांमधला अँगल सेम वेक्टर आहे. सेम वेक्टर म्हणजे काय? एकमेकांना पॅरलल घेता येतं. सो दोघांमधला अँगल 0 घ्या. सो मॅग्निट्यूड ऑफ फर्स्ट वेक्टर into magnitude of second vector into cos of angle between them cos 0. Cos 0 is +1. So a into a square. Next, when the vectors are represented in terms of unit vector ijk. पहिला वेक्टर आपल्याला in terms of I j k दिला. Second vector is also given in terms of I j k. Then the final answer that we found out after doing all these multiplication steps, the final answer that we got was this. This was the final answer if two vectors are given in terms of ijk or in terms of unit vectors ijk. ax bx plus ay by plus az bz means multiplication of coefficients of I plus multiplication of coefficient of j plus multiplication of coefficient of k. And this was the example that we did yesterday. Okay, the first vector was given as 3i plus 2j plus 4k. Second vector was given as 7i minus 2j plus 3k. Multiplication of coefficient of I 3 into 7 plus multiplication of coefficient of j 2 into minus 2 plus multiplication of coefficient of k च्या coefficient ची multiplication 4 into 3 you will get a number that is going to be the answer of dot product of two vectors. That is going to be the answer of dot product of two vectors. त्यात आपण असं पण शिकलो ना, I dot j dot I dot k dot I, j dot k dot j. मला सांगा I आणि j एकमेकांना परपेंडिक्युलर आहेत, सो I dot j 0 येणार, j dot I पण 0 येणार. I आणि k एकमेकांना परपेंडिक्युलर आहेत, I is perpendicular to k, so I dot k and k dot I ते पण 0 येणार. J and k are perpendicular to each other, so J dot k or k dot j आन्सर 0 येणार. हे आपण बघितलं होतं. आणखीन काय बघितलं होतं? हा, हे पण बघितलं होतं. I dot I equals j dot j equals k dot k 1 येणार ना. I dot I कसं काढणार? मॅग्निट्यूड ऑफ फर्स्ट वेक्टर मॅग्निट्यूड ऑफ सेकंड वेक्टर इंटू कॉस ऑफ अँगल बिटवीन देम. आता I आणि I दोन्ही वेक्टर सेम आहेत, मग दोघांमधला अँगल 0, कॉस 0 प्लस 1. I युनिट वेक्टर आहे, हा पण युनिट वेक्टर आहे. I is unit vector, cos 0 is plus 1. So 1 into 1 into 1, answer 1 येणार. So I dot I 1 येते, मग J dot J पण 1, K dot K पण 1. Okay, these are the things that we have did. Okay, now reminder for all of you is about the homework submission of physics. Okay, I have given the homework of chapter number 1, all the notes that you write along with me during the lectures that you have to submit. Okay, those who have not watched the lectures yet, okay, or joined late, those students shall complete those lectures, shall watch those lectures, shall make notes, and will and then submit that to the caption number. Okay, caption WhatsApp number. Okay, that was a reminder from me. Fine. Now let us solve some examples based on this. Let us solve some example. Sahil is saying, sir, PDF send hot nahi hai. Fine. You can make those PDF into 2 parts, or you can just compress it. Compress करायचा ऑप्शन असतात. Compress करा नाहीतर 2 parts मध्ये सेंड करा. Fine. Let me give some examples. Write down this example. Try to solve this. First is A bar. अरे साहिल तेच सांगितलं मी तुला, MB जास्त आहे तर 2 पार्ट्स मध्ये सेंड कर. बऱ्याच स्टुडंट्सनी ऑलरेडी सेंड केलेला आहे. You can make it into 2 parts, part 1, part 2. Homework number 3, part 1. Homework number 2, part 2. ठीक है, चला. A bar is equal to, first vector A bar is given as 3i minus 2j plus 4k, and B bar is given as 2i minus 3k plus 7k minus 3j plus 7k. Find A bar dot B bar. करा बाळांनो कॅल्क्युलेट आणि आन्सर सांगा. Multiplication of coefficient of I plus multiplication of coefficient of j plus multiplication of coefficient of k. करा बरं. And every day I want present it till the end of the lecture. Okay, even if there is internet problem, If it disconnects, you rejoin. Okay. Okay. Shreyas has given the answer. We'll see whether he is right or wrong. Good. Good, Shreya. करा बाळांनो. शीतल, think again. काय calculation mistake केलीस बघ. सोहिनी. करा बाळांनो. हे डॉट प्रोडक्टचं काय आन्सर आहे सांगा सरांना. शीतल बाळ, कॅल्क्युलेशन कुठेतरी मिस्टेक झालेली आहे. समवेअर यू हॅव डिड दी कॅल्क्युलेशन मिस्टेक. ax bx ay by az bz. Multiplication of coefficient of I means 3 into 2 होणार. That will be 3 into 2 plus multiplication of coefficient of z. Here it is minus 2. Here it is minus. Okay, there was net problem from my side. Just give me 1 second. Fine. Everyone tell me the answer. Okay, Tanvi, Aditya, Devashish, Drishti, Kritika, Sohini, everyone has given the same answer. So let's cross check. चला बाळांनो, आन्सर क्रॉस चेक करूया. Let us cross check the answer. Okay, Siddhi, your answer is also same as the others. Okay, 3 into 2, multiplication of coefficient of I, 3 into 2 plus multiplication of coefficients of z, minus 2 into minus 3 plus multiplication of coefficient of k, multiplication of coefficient of k, multiplication of coefficient of k, that will become 4 into 7. So what will be that? 3 into 2, 6 plus minus minus plus. I think Sheetal, you have did the mistake here. I think you took here minus 6 plus 6 minus 6 you cancelled and then you wrote 7 into 4 as 28. No, that will not get cancelled. Minus 2 minus 3 is plus 6 plus 4 into 7, 28. So that will be equal to 40 units or 40. 40 units or 40.